Hello, dear viewers. On April 6, 2567, our family attended a relative's wedding in Wang Nuea District, Lampang Province, and stay overnight at Bunsiri Resort, located next to Highway Number 1035, Wang Kaeo Subdistrict, Wang Nuea District, Lampang Province. The next day, we went sightseeing at Wang Kaeo Waterfall, Wang Kaeo Subdistrict, Wang Nuea District, Lampang Province. Wang Kaeo Waterfall is a stunning waterfall in Doi Luang National Park. It has approximately 100 tiers and 2 levels. The waterfall has water year-round. It is a popular tourist attraction in Doi Luang National Park, designated a national park on April 16, 2013. It covers parts of Pheo, Chiang Rai, and Lampang provinces. Traveling by car from Lampang City, head north through Chai Home District and continue on to Wang Nuea District, a total distance of approximately 105 kilometers. From Wang Nuea District Office, travel another 24 kilometers to Wang Kaeo Waterfall. Travel time from Wang Nuea District Office is approximately 34 minutes. Families or groups of tourists often prepare food and eat it together near the waterfall. Admission fee, children 10 baht, adults 20 baht. At approximately 11 o'clock, we departed from Wang Kaeo Waterfall to return to Muang Lampang District. We stopped for lunch at Rai Home Fa, Chai Home District, approximately 1 kilometer from Chai Home Widya School. Then take photos at various locations within the farm. When the time was right, we set off back to Muang District, Lampang Province.